Canadian and I hurt. Yay.
You hurt gays?
I said gay.
Ah! No! Fucking jamming over here, huh?
It spooked me. I didn't expect it to play music when I picked it up.
Ah! Fuck! Where did he come from? No, I died to
Well,
the
which
big
dude?
guy. He sucked me in and then killed me.
Oh, this
suck
guy
him,
right here?
Suck him real good.
Suck brick, kid! Oh, fuck me.
That's not how you...
Nova! Nova!
Are you kidding me? You're being an animal. Be reasonable. Shh.
Okay, fine.
No!